Hey, Chris here, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be looking at a Betfair auto betting software. The reason for this video is because I keep getting asked more and more often recently, especially for any recommendations that I have on any auto Betfair trading software, and I've spent countless hours looking through different ones and trying to figure out which ones has the best feature for the best price and which one's the easiest to use and has the best reviews, and I've finally found one which has all of those things that I've just mentioned plus some more. Now, I won't be going into exactly how to use everything in this video because it's very complex. There is a lot to learn. I do think a beginner could get going with this, and I think it's very beginner friendly, but there's just so much included in the software that you wouldn't be able to cover it all in this video. It'd be like several hours long. So we're going to go through how you can get started with the free trial and then how you can get going with learning all the different features of the software. Before we get into it though, I'll just mention the Betfair Trading Facebook group, which if you're not yet joined up, I'll leave a link to down in the description. But having said that, getting on the laptop here, this is the screen that you will find yourself on. If you go ahead and check out the description, I've left a link to the free trial. This is what you'll get. Now, you have the free trial offer over here on the left. So you just go ahead and click on that register now button. What that's going to do is pop up and ask you for your name and email address, and then they're going to email you with a subscription key and a link to download the software. So this software will run on your computer. It's not a browser-based software. And all you do once you've downloaded it is pop the subscription key in. Now in this video we are, as I say, just focusing on the free trial side of things. But just as a little heads up, as an insight here, this main professional sign up here, so it's got all of the features included in the software. And as you can see there, it says you can either pay £17 a month, or if you're really serious about, Betfair trading, then you can just go ahead and pay £75 for the year, which I think is insane value for everything that you get here. Now, just to make you aware, if you want the time machine feature, which is a feature that allows you to back test a strategy that you may have figured out and you want to see if it would have been profitable, you can put in all of the criteria for that strategy in Time Machine and it will literally back test it on loads of Betfair statistics. And you do need to have that as an additional add-on to this professional. So you pay £75 for the year for the professional software. That includes Market Feeder Pro and the VPS, so the virtual private server to run the software on. A virtual private server, it's basically, you won't need to run it on your computer. You can just run it through a virtual computer and turn off your computer. Basically, it'll run on a separate computer on a server in a warehouse somewhere, basically. But once you've downloaded the software, you've put your free trial subscription key in, you can go onto this features tab here, and then there's all of these different things to look at here. So we can click on this here, Market Locator. So this is all the information on how to find markets on the software. And for anyone that's thinking like you can just start using this software and it's just going to be click a button and you'll automatically make money. No, it's not that simple. I'll link a video down in the description of a software that does allow you to do that. But this is not that. You do need to learn how to use this before you can get going with it and before you can start making money and using the strategies. So there's that feature tab to check out. There's the articles tab here. As you may have guessed, there's loads of articles to do with various things to do with the software. You would really, really want to set like a whole day aside to just start going through things. And I don't think you could get through all of this in one day. It would be several days at least, maybe a full week of learning this. So, and then you'd still be learning as you go along, I think. Then you can click on this triggers tab here. So these are a load of different strategies for football, horse racing, various strategies here. There's the latest triggers. So these are, I believe these are community additions here. The community on Market Feeder are adding these in. So various strategies that you can look to do to make a profit from. These are all included, by the way, in the free trial, which I think is insanely cool. We can go on to, glossary. This is obviously, as it says, a glossary. It's going to tell you all the different terms there. So just select a letter and then you can go through and start learning different things there. Then we can go on to the next tab, which is, this is I think a really powerful tab here. It's going to help you out massively with learning. So YouTube tab, and that's of course going to give you all of these YouTube videos. Now we can try and count them here. 1, 2, 3, 4. They've just not loaded on the screen yet. 5, 6, 7, 8. I mean, that one there. How to spot a service break in tennis using triggers. Then you got how to place Dutching bets and green them up with Market Feeder Pro. How to place a delayed bet in Market Feeder Pro. Arranging market selections on the screen. So there's just so much here. I mean, I can scroll down. That's why it's taken so long to load, because there's so many videos and so much to learn there. So as I say, you probably need at least a minimum of a week, maybe 2 weeks, to get through all of these comfortably. Then you've got the screenshots tab. It's just a tab there with all these different screenshots showing you various different things to learn. And then an FAQ tab, probably a good place to check also. And then there's this help file in PDF, which is this here. So this is a full written sort of user's manual guide, if you will, to how to use Market Feeder Pro. So you got the introduction, you got the betting glossary, so greening up, and there's then several links there on top of that to go through into more additional features to learn. All of these different things. There's so much to learn here. It's ridiculous. That's why I say we can't go through that all in this video. There's the auto trading feature here. So again, showing you how to set the auto trading up, auto Dutching, auto green up there, how to get that set up. But one thing I would recommend, because there's so much to take in, really what you would select here is it's second from the bottom there, getting started, and then it says tuning up the program, and that's basically taking you through the setup steps of the software. So that's the first thing you'd probably want to look through. Tuning up the program, placing your first bet, so there's the full guide there, and creating your first trigger, so again, full guide on how to do that. And this is what the actual software looks like. So I've just loaded up here the Kempton 1900 race, which is saying it's a 7 furlong handicap race. And yeah, that's it. That's how you would see the horses there. All these different options. You can see I'm in test mode there with £100 of test funds available. If there is enough interest, this software is something that I could implement into the members live streams on, say, a Saturday afternoon, where we look to use the software live during the Saturday horse racing. If that's something that you might be interested in, then comment below on this video. I'd be interested to hear everyone's thoughts. But I hope you had some value from this video with going through how to set up Market Feeder Pro and how to get going with the free trial. If you enjoyed the video, please do press the like button below. And until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.